As chair of the Election Committee, it is my responsibility to announce the results of the IOC Athletes Commission election for the Olympic Winter Games Milano Cortina 2026. Before doing so, however, I would like to mention the incredible atmosphere at these Milano Cortina Games and the spirit of the athletes who compete here. I would also like to acknowledge the volunteers and the Milano Cortina Organizing Committee for facilitating and supporting the IOC team at the voting stations at the different Olympic villages. And as Kave said, there were 6 voting stations, so that was a little bit an addition to the complexity of the process. As we always say, the Athletes Commission is the heart and soul of the IOC, ensuring that the athletes' voice and interest remain at the center of all our decisions. It is important to point out that the 2 new members were not appointed, but elected by their fellow Olympians at these games. This gives them a powerful and direct mandate. The role of the election committee is to ensure compliance with the election procedure, which regulates and governs the election process of the members of the IOC Athletes Commission. We had a number of very informative conference calls with all the 11 candidates and the NOCs before the games took place. And I am pleased to say that the election ran smoothly, with candidates promoting themselves with respect for each other and for the regulations. As for the previous Athletes Commission elections in Rio, Pyeongchang, Tokyo, Beijing, and Paris, the election, the voting system, and the final result were audited and verified by an independent auditor called DNV. The 2 elected members will serve a term of 8 years, which will end at the closing ceremony of the Olympic Winter Games 2034. It seems so far away, right? So without further ado, I am pleased to announce the results on behalf of all my colleagues on the election committee. Now, for the election process at the 2026 Games, I want you to know that there was a very high voter turnout. A total of 2,393 athletes from 2,871 eligible athletes cast their votes, which equals to 83.4%, which is the second highest percentage vote for an Olympic Winter Games since ever. And in Pyeongchang, we had just a slight difference, 0.4% higher. And that equals to, what was it, Kave? Only 12 votes difference. So if we had 12 votes more than in Pyeongchang, then we would have had the highest voter turnout at these games. It is my great honor to announce that the 2 athletes who have gained the trust of their peers, resulting and receiving the highest number of votes, are therefore elected to the IOC Athletes Commission are, the first one is Yoon Young-won from the Republic of South Korea. Yoon Young-won is from the sport of bobsleigh, and he obtained no less than 1,176 votes. And the second candidate who was elected is Joanna Taliarn from Estonia. And Joanna is from the sport of biathlon. And she obtained, Joanna, 983 votes. I thank you for your attention and congratulate to the 2 winners who will be elected to the IOC Athletes Commission.